23.
44.
48. Okey.
57.
Hai. Macam tu
Sikit.
nak kasi 9 je.
Cepat.
25.
33.
69.
Berapa?
69.
11.
84.
21.
62.
Ya.
79.
25.
39.
98.
43.
34.
50. 58. 63.
No.
Ni macam dah lain dah tu.
Tak ada.
Dekat komputer.
Suppose here.
Computer.
That's okay. Yeah. I think then
34.
after 34 is 50.
50.
Yes, 50. 50. After 34.
Ah.
52.
Zara kini silap.
Zara 50. 50.
50, 58.
Lepas tu 58.
63.
58.
58.
58.
Ya.
Lagi?
And 63.
63.
Okay. Alright.
Siap, habis.
Yeah, next. Next.
19.
19.
14.
14.
90. 90.
90. Okey.
77.
77.
Saya tinggal isi rasa.
5.
5.
Double digit. Double digit.
05 kena.
05.
05.
Okay.
22.
22.
82.
82.
57.
57.
Sudah ada.
7 sudah.
Tak apa. Dah tahu mak.
Repeat cannot.
Jangan.
Boleh. 33.
33.
81.
81.
83.
83.
01.
01.
17.
96.
10.
10.
10.
81.
81.
06.
06.
35.
35.
02.
02.
99.
99.
17.
17.
10.
16. 12.
12.
99.
99.
97.
7.
04.
04. 8.
Last.
88.
Betul.
Duduk.
Ha?
Duduk apa?
Duduk di depan dia.
So one separate once. Can, huh? So can anyone, just one person, read in English lah, not the double digits. Just read once. So when Master John Louis says okay, then go to the next number. When he says
Yes,
okay,
you can go to the next one.
Pada kata yes.
Yes.
44.
Start with the same front number. Start from here. Alright.
Okay. 23.
Okay.
Continue. Continue reading one by one.
No, when I say okay, you can go to the next one.
Ah.
23. First read.
Okay.
Okay. 44.
Okay.
48.
Okay.
57.
Okay.
67.
Okay.
33.
Okay.
69.
Okay.
11.
Okay.
84.
Okay.
21.
Okay.
62.
Okay.
79.
Okay.
25.
Okay.
39.
Okay.
98.
Okay.
43.
Okay.
34.
Okay.
50.
Okay.
58.
Okay.
63.
Okay.
19.
Okay.
12.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
90.
Okay.
77.
Okay.
05.
Okay.
22.
Okay.
82.
Okay.
57.
Okay.
33.
Okay.
81.
Pardon?
81.
Okay.
83.
Okay.
01.
Okay.
17.
Okay.
96.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
10. 81.
81.
81.
Okay.
21.
06.
Okay.
35.
Okay.
02.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
17.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
64.
Okay.
16.
Okay.
12.
12,
Okay,
99,
okay,
97,
okay,
04,
okay.
last one 88.
88. Okay, thank you very much. So thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so 3 people helped me out. So one wrote on the board and one typed on the screen. The other one read out for me. Can any one of you recollect without saying?
Oh, what is asking? Tiga orang tadi yang key in, one key in, one write, one read out. What master is asking? Can anyone tanpa melihat number tu boleh recall all the numbers?
Dia tadilah tu, Mazlan yang baca tadi. Okay, just I applied some receiving technique. See, our mind is very powerful. Just by listening, we can store information. We can record it. Even we can retain it as long as we want. Even tomorrow morning, you can call up and ask me these numbers.
Oh.
Even you can erase it from your laptop. You can note it down. And it's very tough to erase. Let me try to recollect. Now you want me to go from first to last or last to first? Okay, I'll
Last
go
to
first.
first.
Last to first.
Yes.
88, 04, 97, 99, 12, 16, 64, 10, 17, 99, 02, 35, 06, 81, 10, 96, 17, 01, 83, 81, 33, 57, 82, 22, 05, 77, 90, there is 19, 14, 12, then 19, 63, 58, 50, 34, 43, 98, 39, 25, 79, 62, and then it is 21, 84, 11, 69, 33, 67, 57, 44, and the first number 23.
One
Yeah,
missing.
Okay, I think 48. 48. After 57, it is 48, then 44, and then the first number is 23. Oh God. Anything, it is just a 100
Well
digit
done.
number.
Ada kat belakang tu dia.
It is just 100. Even if you give me 1000 digit numbers, I can make any child perform. No problem at all. Anybody can perform.
So what master is telling is any children can be trained with this, and they can have a wonderful life. No? And now, Tuan, any number from any column. This is column. Column. This is row. So you can tell any number.
The third row, fourth column. like this.
So you can also answer that.
Cakap bahasa Melayu, Melayu tak apa, you can translate.
Yeah.
Column 5, row 3.
Pardon?
Row 3,
Column 5.
column 5.
5. It was 77.
Oi. Dia buat apa abang ni?
See, answer will be instant. Answer will be instant. It's very tough for me to erase now.
And another one, tuan-tuan puan-puan. Tuan-tuan puan-puan boleh beritahu nombor. Dia akan beritahu row mana, kolom mana.
Oh.
Ah.
Number 10.
Number?
10.
Last row lah, row number 10.
Number 10. Last row, third number.
Third number.
Last row, third number.
Last row, third number.
Last row, third number.
They
got
Yeah, one more place, 10 is there. Just give me a minute.
Ayah sikit.
Loading. Loading.
It's fourth row, fifth number. Fourth row, fifth number.
Fourth row.
Fifth.
Yeah, sixth number. Fourth row, sixth number. That is 10.
Right.
Again, and we can trace it out. Give me any one column.
Any one column. There are 10 columns. Read the column number. Any column. Just tell the column number.
6 column.
6 column. 1,
Okay.
4, 6.
33, And
Six.
then, yes,
Yeah,
One.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
6 column.
Ah.
Okay, it is 33,
Right?
and then it's 43,
Yep.
and then it is 05,
Come again?
05. Yeah.
05,
Yeah.
and then it is 6 column, no, it is 10, 10, and then it is 12, 10. Anything, whatever it is.
How about row
Excellent.
second last?
Pardon?
Row number second last.
Number 9.
Row number,
9.
Row number
Nine.
second last.
9.
Number 9. Roll number 9.
first number, first row.
Column.
Oh, column,
Column.
okay. You want from top to
Second
bottom or
last.
bottom
No,
to top?
top to bottom is the row.
Ninth row, ninth column.
Right.
9.
Okay.
The
So
column,
9 is 84,
Yeah.
and then 58, then 57, then 35, and then it is 04.
Excellent. Aduh,
How to
aduh.
practice it?
Okay.
How to practice it?
Yeah, so I'm using visual technique. It is very ancient. It is 2,500 years old technique. It is not new. Those days, no language, no paper and pen, not to write. There is no instrument to store the information. People have to listen and they have to remember it. So now in computer, whatever we feed, the computer changes everything into zeros and ones. And it stores the information. And it is giving back in the form how we fed into. Same way, in ancient days, people use whatever the information they are receiving, they are converting into pictorial form. They store the information in pictorial form in brain in an order. And when you want it back, the picture is converted back into the original form.
Get you.
Simple.
The picture, this is to show them how we remember the picture.
I think I can use this.
Yeah.
Lupa.
Ya. 23, 62, 19. Baru 3.
Baru 3.
Okay, these are right. So whatever the information we are feeding it may be number. See, only 3 kinds of information. You take any subject of any form, either concrete words or abstract words or numbers. Only 3 kinds of information. Any subject for that matter. Whatever we are feeding it, that should be converted into pictorial form. So brain loves only picture. It hates words. It hates numbers. But our children are trying to remember everything in words and numbers. That is why it is fading away from their brain. But if you are able, if you know a technique how to convert these abstract words and numbers into pictorial form, and there are lots of neurons in the brain. So you can code your brain. You can code your neurons exactly where the number 1 neuron is there, where number 2 neuron is there, where number 3 neuron is there. When the information comes, you can straight away store in an order. You can convert all the information into pictorial form and you store them in an order. So when you are asking me back, I know where it is stored in an order. I am seeing the picture of each and everything you are given. And when I am giving it out, I am converting the picture back into the original form which you gave. That's it, very simple. So convert all the abstract information into concrete images, then reconvert back into the original form. How to convert from abstract information into concrete images? I have created lots of systems based on ancient people used. It is 2,500 years old. That means 500 years before Christ. People have been using these techniques. I think all of you might have heard of Simonides. There was a function going on in the king's palace, and he had to give a speech about 300 people who won the Olympics those days, and about the king, about the minister, everybody. He memorized everybody in order, in what order they are sitting, and he finished his talk. He spoke about all the 300 people, and suddenly someone came to meet him, so he went out to meet them for just 2-3 minutes. So the building collapsed, all the 300 people died. And they were not able to find out which body was king, which body was this minister, they were not able to find out. But from the position, Simonides was able to recite, this is king, this is minister. He recited all the 300 people exactly in the same order. That's the time they asked him, okay, how you remembered it? So that is where he revealed his technique. How he is coding his neuron, and how he stored the information in the neuron, so that he can take it out whenever he wanted. It was 2,500 years old. Nobody can claim. I cannot claim it's mine.
Screen over the
I'm dusting it off and I'm giving it back. That's it. So the children who are able to understand, who are able to apply this technique, they are doing amazingly well. So especially, I have got 2 children. They picked up from me by watching me. And they went on to become world champion at the age of 10. And they can solve the Rubik's Cube with their eyes closed when they were just 10. And that do so fast in 1 minute. That's it. And if you take chemistry, how the chemistry equation can be remembered. If you take history, how the historical years and events of Malaysia can be remembered. So what happened in 1914, Penang Battle? What happened in 1909 in Malaysia? It was Anglo-Siamese Treaty. And what happened in 1941? So everything, all the things in chronological order, they can easily store when the teacher is explaining in the class itself. They can straight away store. They can recite back immediately, anytime, without writing, See, we have got such ability to receive the information, to record the information, and retain the information as long as we want. We start teaching in January, but exam comes only in November. The children score 9 out of 10 in class test, but if the same question is asked after 3 months, the children are not able to reproduce. All these things can be overcome by applying these techniques. Okay, thank you very much for paying attention. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to meet all of you. Thanks a lot.